وإذ قال ربك للملائكة إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة.
Documentary of Prophets, Episode 2.
औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम इज़ क़ाला रब्बुका लिल मलाइकति इन्नी जाइलुन फिल अर्ज़ि खलीफा. Allah said to his angels that I am going to make a leader on the earth. Assalamu alaikum dear listener, welcome back to my channel Zikre Karbala. So this is the program Documentary of Prophets. So as I've said, this is the second episode, and in this second episode we are going to discuss about Prophet Adam alayhi salam. So now we will start with our second episode. In this episode we will discuss about Prophet Adam alayhi salam, who is our first prophet. In this episode we will discuss many things about Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, how Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was created, and many more things. So now let's go and discuss about our topic of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So Hazrat Adam alayhi salam is the first person on the earth and also our first prophet. So Allah had created him from soil. So that's why his name is Adam. Adam is a Ibrani language word, and Ibrani language means Hebrew. So in this language the word Adam, its meaning is soil, and in Arabic the meaning of Adam is servant. So Allah had created him from soil. So that's why his name became Adam. So now we will go and talk about how Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was created. So before the creation of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, Allah had created Noor Muhammad, and from the sweat of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam all the prophets were created. So and in the charity of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's Noor, and from the Noor of Panjatan, this world was also created. So after this Allah had created angels, and then when Allah had created the earth, then Allah decided to create Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, and he announced in the ayat which I have recited in the starting. Allah announced that I am going to create a leader on the earth. So Allah had announced this before the creation of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So once Allah ordered Jibrail, the greatest angel of Allah. Jibrail was the first angel which Allah had created. So Allah ordered Jibrail, go on the land and bring me some soil. So when Allah said him to bring the soil, Jibrail came on the land, and then when he wanted to pick up the soil, then the land started crying. So Jibrail felt sad and he came back. After this, Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam came, and he also wanted to pick up soil, but same happened to that time, and he also came back. Now Hazrat Israel alayhi salam came. Now the land started crying again. Then Hazrat Israel said, I don't care how much you cry, I will obey the order of my Allah. And then he picked the soil and came to Allah. So now Allah gave him a post, that is Malakul Maut, the angel of death. Allah said that from the first person to the last person which I will create on this earth, you will give them death. So like this Hazrat Israel became Malakul Maut, the angel of death. So now when Allah told him to bring soil from the land, so he had brought 3 types of soil: black soil, red soil, white soil, and the 4th is also included, that is brownish soil. So like that the humans are of different colors. Some are white, some look black, some look little brownish. So like this the color of human were created from the land soil's color. So when Allah got the soil, now Allah had created the statue like structure of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was created from 4 things: soil, fire, air and water. So these 4 things, when Allah mixed it up and made the body of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, after this Allah ordered to all his angels are called the Malaika. So he ordered all his angels to prostrate before Adam when he will pour the soul, his soul, in Adam. So all the angels obeyed. When Allah poured the soul, his soul in Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, all the angels prostrated before Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. But here, Shaitan, Iblis, when Allah had created jinns on the land, these jinns only did the bad thing, mischief, they shed blood and everything, but nothing to do right. They do not worship Allah. But between them was one Iblis who worshipped Allah. So Allah had ended all the jinns, but he left Iblis and he kept him on the sky with the angels. Now when Allah said to prostrate, Iblis did not prostrate it to Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Allah asked, why did you not prostrate it to Hazrat Adam? He said, you had created me from fire and you created him from soil. So fire is better than soil. As he said that I am better than Adam, its meaning was I am better than Adam. I am made from fire and he is made from soil. So it means that I am better than him. Then Allah said, Fakhruj, get out. And then Allah threw him on the land. So that time Shaitan, Iblis said that I will make all the persons come to the gate of hell, come to hell. But we have to prove it wrong and we will always obey the order of Allah and worship Allah. So after this, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was created. So when Hazrat Adam was created, Allah kept him in the heaven. Allah kept Hazrat Adam alayhi salam in heaven with his wife Hawa. So the second person is Hawa. There are 5 things that Allah had created without any father or mother. The 5 things are: first, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, he was created from soil. Second, Hazrat Hawa, she was also created like Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. And then third and fourth are the crows. The crows which came on the land to show the way how to grave a dead body. That 2 crows. And the last is the camel of Hazrat Saleh alayhi salam. So these 5 things were born without any father or mother. Allah had created them. So these things were created. Now Hazrat Adam alayhi salam is the father of humanity. He is the father of everybody, every person in this world. And Hazrat Hawa is the mother of everybody in this world. So this was how Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was created. And Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was our prophet, the first prophet. So the prophethood started from Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and it will end to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So like this, our program will also end at the topic of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this was the creation of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So in the next video, we will discuss on the topic that how Hazrat Adam alayhi salam came from the heaven to the land. So Hazrat Adam, as I told, Hazrat Adam was placed in the heaven. Allah placed him in heaven with Hazrat Hawa. So how Adam came to the land, to the earth, and this generation of humans started. We will discuss it in the next episode, which will be our 3rd episode. So I hope you all have liked the episode and understood everything which I have explained. And if you all have not subscribed my channel Zikr-e Karbala, please subscribe my channel Zikr-e Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikr-e Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.